Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the PhD aspirants guys. Why? Because there is a PhD admission notification from one of the top university, and why I'm telling it is a good news because the candidates who are having only the post graduation qualification, even though if you don't have the national level eligibility test qualifications just like the UGS NET or the CSI NET JRFs, you will get the stipend from the institute side, that is 14,000 rupees per month plus HRA 30% will be available guys. So I think it will be the really good news to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions in the top university, okay, without having entrance test qualifications, and you are going to get very good amount from the institute side, okay. And the candidates who qualified for the UGS NET JRF or else UGS NET assistant professor, those candidates are exempted from the written test. They can directly go for the interview. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions with stipend without national level eligibility test qualifications. Okay. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGS NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the university name is Amity University, and here the PhD admission notifications were released from this university guys. And first we will check the last dates, and then we will check what are the different departments they are providing the PhD. So here the two branches are there. So total these are the different branches of Amity University: Noida, Lucknow, Jaipur, Gurugram, Gwalior, Mumbai and Raipur. So at present from the two branches the PhD notifications were released. One from the Noida, the last date is 25th June 2021. Okay, and PET, that is entrance test dates are given here, 16th June and 30th June. Only those who qualify in PET will be called for the interview. And while coming to the Raipur, the last date to apply this one is the 31st May 2021. Okay, so these are the important dates guys. And while coming to the different programs offered, so what are the different programs are offering by the Amity University for the PhD admission process, that we will check here. Okay, so the sets the PhD programs by campus wise. Okay, so while coming to the Noida, so agriculture and full-time, part-time, horticulture, as well as fashion design, fashion management, fine arts, architecture and planning, and economics, English and governance, history, international relations and mass communications, political science and psychology, and social work, sociology. And coming to the biosciences and biotechnology, genomics and medical microbiology and molecular medicine, and nanoscience, anthropology and bioinformatics and biotechnology, cellular and molecular oncology, so immunology, and these are all regarding to the medicine. And coming to this education, physical education, aerospace engineering, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, information technology, mechanical and automation engineering, nuclear science and technology, and renewable and alternate energy. And next in the health and allied sciences also few vacancies are there. Okay, so you may check down. And hospitality and tourism also. And coming to the law and management studies, natural resources and environmental sciences, and rehabilitation sciences. And coming to the science and technology, chemistry and foods and nutrition. Okay, so you may check down guys PhD in physics and polymer science and statistics. Okay, and coming to the Lucknow campus also, here they mentioned a few more vacancies. Okay, so you may check down guys. There are a lot of vacancies are there. Okay, so you please once go through this one. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video guys. Okay, why? Because a lot of branches are there from the multiple departments of the Amity University. So I think it will take much more time and I will get bored also if I read all the departments, okay, in this video. So that's why I'm just told you few departments, okay, from the Noida campus. Okay, almost the similar vacancies might be there in the remaining branches also. So you please once check. Why? Because I will provide the link in the description box of this video guys. And coming to the next one, okay, we will go back and see the remaining details. So admission procedure, as I told that through the written test as well as the interview, guys. So applications for the admission to PhD program at AMT University are accepted twice a year for January and the July session. So right now the July session is running on, and the candidates seeking for admission to the PhD program, whether full-time or part-time, have to possess requisite percentage of marks or the grade point average subject specialization. Candidates who apply for the PhD part-time will have to submit their employment verification details at the time of form filling and the no objection certificate. Okay, and the admission form is to be filled and submitted online. Okay, hard copies will not be accepted here. And yeah, these are the details, guys. And yeah, so eligible candidates will be required to appear in the selection process consisting of PhD entrance test and interview. Selected candidates will be intimated about their selection on the admission microsite. Okay, so these are the details given here. And coming to the selection procedure, they given here the format regarding the written test, guys, paper 1 and section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is regarding the general knowledge, English language, logical reasoning, quantitative analysis, data analysis. And coming to the section 2, it's regarding your departmental subject, guys. Okay, so you may check down here. So it is admission procedure, and application form is available here, and few important points are mentioned, and you may check down the fee structure. Okay, and coming to the eligibility criteria. Okay, so here you can check down. The required minimum qualification for admission to the PhD program shall be normally a 2 years master's or MPhil degree from any accredited Indian or the foreign university in the relevant field, must have obtained the 55 marks or the equivalent grade in the master's or the MPhil degree. Okay, and applicants who have successfully completed their first year degree course, okay, irrespective of the duration, shall be treated at par with those who have completed that 3-year first degree course. So please check down all these things, guys. And one more point I mentioned at the starting of this video: exemption from PhD written test or the entrance test. Only those candidates who have cleared all India national level competitive examination like NET of UGC, CSIR, ICAR, GPAT, ICMR, GATE or DST Inspire within the last 2 years of the PhD admission, they are exempted from the written test of the PhD selection process. They will be required to appear for the interview round only. Okay, so here if you qualified for the UGC NET JRF or UGC NET assistant professor, then both these two candidates may be exempted from the written test. Okay, so it is a point, and eligibility criteria is shown to you. And while coming to the PhD scholar category they given, so I will show you the fellowship. Okay, how much amount of fellowship they will give. See, guys, as part of its nation building activities, the AMT Science, Technology and Innovation Foundation awards fellowship to brilliant young researchers and scientists. Fellowships are available in all the disciplines and not restricted in number. That means they are not going to tell you that only for few candidates we will provide the fellowship. They are informing here that to all the full-time candidates, okay, and to all the disciplines they will provide the fellowship. And for more details you may check this one. Okay, I will show you the details, guys, how much amount you will get. And if you want to eligible for this fellowship, the candidate must have first class academic record throughout up to the master's degree from a recognized college or university, and the ASTIF fellowship will be given to only those candidates who are not getting fellowship from any other agency, and those who have shown remarkable progress in research work after joining the AMT's PhD's program. Okay, and coming to the fellowship, how much you will get means here you may check down. Can PhD scholars apply for ASTF AMT fellowship program? So you may check down here. Yes, only full-time PhD scholars are eligible to apply for their for it, but after their selection to the PhD program. So the AMT University Science, Technology and Innovation Foundation ASTF awards fellowship to brilliant young researchers and the scientists. Fellowships are available in all the disciplines and not restricted in number, and the candidate must have first class throughout up to master's degree, and the PhD research area should be above average academic brilliance and relevance. Okay, and you may check down the amount 10,000 to 14,000 and HRA 30% per month will be available to the merit and research experience of the candidates. Okay, so for further details you may check down the website of this one, guys. Okay, so these are the details regarding the what are the important dates, and what are the branches or the programs offering the PhD, and what are the important points, as well as what is the eligibility criteria, and what is the fellowship amount you are going to get. So all the details we discussed here. So if you want anything here, you may check down through the FAQs and the remaining points also. I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, guys. So all of you please check down very carefully, okay, to get the accurate details and more details, and then start applying, guys. Okay, here you may check down the last date to apply and the test date. Okay, so these are the details that I want to share with you, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity, who are going to get the fellowship without having the national level eligibility test qualifications. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.